If you're creating tutorials or product demos, two names you're sure to come across are Tella and Camtasia. Both are highly rated screen recorders that will allow you to record your screen and camera, but they're built for very different creators. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Tella and Camtasia side by side. Features, pricing, ease of use, and who each one's really for. And if you decide to try out Tella after watching this, my affiliate link will be below and it will help to support the channel at no additional cost. Now let's get started. What is Tella? Tella is a modern, browser-based screen recorder designed for quick, polished videos. You can use either the browser option or you can get their app. You can record your screen, camera, or slides, edit instantly in your browser, and export or share with one click. In fact, I'm using Tella Screen Recorder at the moment to do this tutorial. It's built for creators, SaaS teams, and educators who want to make short professional videos without any complex editing software. Key features when it comes onto Tella are no downloads or installations, as you can use the browser option. It runs in your browser. You can instantly edit or trim or rearrange clips and custom backgrounds, text, and transitions. You can share instantly via link or you can choose to embed it on your website. It's perfect for tutorials, onboarding videos, and quick explainers. And when I say it's easy to edit, I mean that. For example, if we were to tap on Cut in the top right hand corner, you can use their AI feature to find mistakes by tapping on Find Mistakes. You can also use their Remove Buffer option. And by scrolling down, you can also use their Remove Filler AI option. And if you don't want to do that and you want to edit manually, it is as easy as editing a Google Doc. You'll tap on Transcript. Then from there, you can choose the section that you'd like to remove. So let's say, for example, I want to remove this section. Select the text. Then tap on Delete from Video, and just like that, I've deleted it. And also when it comes onto the layout option, by tapping on the layout from the right hand menu option, I can change the layout style, as you can see right there. So you're provided with numerous editing options. Now on the other hand, what is Camtasia? Camtasia, on the other hand, is a full desktop video editing suite. It's been around for over a decade and is trusted by pros who need powerful recording plus editing in one place. It lets you record your screen, webcam, system audio, edit on a full timeline with multi-layers, add annotations, transitions, cursor effects, and animations, export in multiple resolutions, or upload directly to YouTube. Camtasia is ideal for creators who need advanced editing control, not just quick recording. Now that we have an idea what both have to offer, let's talk about some key differences. First, let's talk about web-based, which is web-based and which only has app. When it comes onto web-based, Tella offers you the option to use it in their web, as you can. Now when it comes onto web-based, Tella offers this option. For example, you can go onto tella.tv and from there you could tap on record and you'll be able to start your recording without installing an app. While on the other hand, when it comes onto Camtasia, you'll need to download an app. Whether you're using Mac or Windows, they offer a desktop app. And if we were to talk about beginner friendly or ease of use, both are beginner friendly, but with Camtasia, it has a steeper learning curve. The reason why it has a steeper learning curve is because it offers more features. For example, if we were to talk about editing tools, with Camtasia it offers full timeline editor, effects, motion graphics, and so much more. While with Tella, on the other hand, you're getting quick trims, layouts, text and background removal. And also, if we were to talk about collaboration, with Tella it offers the option to easily share links and team workspace, while Camtasia, on the other hand, is built for individual use and manual file sharing. And if we were to also talk about output, both platforms are great and allow you to export in MP4, but with Tella, it offers you to share the link or download MP4 or embed on your website, while Camtasia, on the other hand, allows you to export to YouTube, MP4, or other formats. And if we were to also talk about which I think is best for different use cases, I would say that Tella is best for fast video creation and sharing, while Camtasia on the other hand is more detailed, so I would say it is more of a professional video editor software. So if you want to record fast, edit light, and share instantly, I would recommend that you go with Tella. But if you need precision, editing, and full creative control, Camtasia takes the lead. And if we were to talk about ease of use, Tella feels like Loom meets Canva. You are able to record, tweak, and post. You don't need any training. You can even upload your own branding or background to match your brand's look, while Camtasia on the other hand is more technical. Once you get comfortable, it's powerful, but it's not plug and play. It's designed for creators who want to craft, polished multi-layer videos with animations or effects. If you're a beginner or time crunch content creator, if you're a beginner or you have limited time, Tella would be perfect for you, as it will save you hours. If you're a YouTuber or course creator and you're looking for something way more in-depth, I would recommend that you go with no. Now, in conclusion, which one would I recommend you choose? If you're a beginner or you don't want something that is very technical, you just want a high-performing screen recorder, I would recommend that you go with Tella. On the other hand, if you're looking for something, for example, to create a course, or you have multiple reasons and you have experience with using editors, I would recommend that you go with Camtasia. And if we were to look at their pricing, you can see with Tella you can get started for as low as $19 per month, and their most expensive plan would be $26 per month. With Camtasia on the other hand, it offers a lifetime deal, as you can see right here, which is billed. With Camtasia on the other hand, it is billed per year, and their most affordable plan will be $179, and it can go up to $599. So if you are talking about affordability, Tella would be the more affordable option, while Camtasia is going to take a large investment upfront. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.